Hi everybody, good morning. It is the 2nd of July, which means it is the IPSY day, where we get to look and see what is available in our Glam bags as well as the add-on sale. I like getting up early because sometimes IPSY posts a little bit earlier and then I'm able to get it up so you guys get a good reminder and you get to see everything that's going on. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath the video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and like today, sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out. So make sure to press that bell and the subscribe button and you'll be all set. All right, let's get started. All right, so what I'm going to show you today is what is in the starter bag. This is the July Glam bag. This is what I'm going to be receiving. The Naked Cosmetics Natural Nude number 3, the Skin Regime Cleansing Cream, the Thrive Cosmetics Lip, which is what I chose in Gillislan, and then a Fresh Herb Cream. And then if we skip over here one more, we're also going to be getting from the Balm a wheel-powered blush in Perseverance. Sorry, it's early. And then I'm going to, and this is the bags that we're going to be getting. So what I'm going to be sharing with you today is this bag as well as what the add-on choices are so that we can get this up and to you guys quickly. So on the add-ons that we're able to choose in each one of our bags is 8 extra products, and they're going to ship them for free in our bag. So the first items that they're showing are these deluxe size products. It is the Kate Somerville Winkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer Serum, from IT Cosmetics in a Gel Lotion Moisturizer, from Ciate London the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, and the Kismet Pure C Primer. The one thing I'm going to tell you guys is the first two items that I mentioned, the Kate Somerville as well as the IT Cosmetics, those are really, really small. So I wouldn't recommend them simply because I don't think there's enough for you to be able to check how the product works. The next item looks like it's from Buxom Cosmetics. It's a Lash Volume Mascara in the Blackest Black. I like if there's a mascara that you guys want to try. In the sample sizes where I try them, they're $3, and the brush that's inside these small $3 items is usually the same size that's in the larger version. So you get to test the formula and the brush for $3, which I think is fantastic. Another good one here is from IT Cosmetics. It is the Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil in Universal Taupe. I own a lot of these, and what you do with this one, how it's universal, is you press just a little bit harder and it gets darker. So this is a good size for you guys to test it out because it does have the spoolie on the other side. Ciate London, the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. I did an add-on on this last month and I have enjoyed it. Then the Sriracha Spotlight Eye Cream. I also purchased that if you guys looked at my add-ons. I've only used that a couple of nights, but it is a nice product. The next items are from Purlisse Beauty. I can't believe these are in the $3 section. This is a great way to test to see what color fits you. They have it for me available in fair, light, medium, as well as medium. And then we have from BioRace an intense hydrating mask set. That's going to be 2 of them for $3. Then they have from Dr. Botanicals the Cocoa Coconut Superfood Reviving Hydrating Mask. From Levito, they have the Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Then from Neo Dermology, they have a Clear Soothing Foam Cleanser. From Hey Honey, they have the Soothing Moisturizer. Then, and Hey Honey is a great line, and that's also a small sample, but for $3 to try Hey Honey, that's a good deal. Then from REP, they have an all-in-one serum. From Aphrodite Skincare, they have the Olive Oil Deep Cleansing Face Mask. From Thon Oatmeal Face Scrub, they have the Generation Clay, which I already tried also, and that is a great mask. Then they have, oh, these are fantastic, the Duft and Doved Pink Milk Mask Set. These are really, really good masks. Then from, Pierre Cosmetics, the banana setting powder in medium, also a really great product. I own it. Ico Beach Waterproof Mascara. Then they have from Cella an eyebrow pencil with a spoolie in a beautiful blonde. Then they have, it looks like, two pencils from IPSY by Petra in Sage Gold and Copper Glow. Then they have from Scone Cosmetics Insane Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner in black. From Jante Bleu, they have the felt tip eyeliner pencil in black. And from Estate, they have the baked highlighter in lit. They also have from the Balm the Willpower Blush in Worth the Wait. From Mana Kadar Cosmetics, they have the buildable blush in Bailey Babe. Then from Jules Smith Beauty, they have the Power Dual Palette in Wise Guy and Gold Mine. I've tried some of their lip products, but I've never tried their eyeshadow. Then from this other brand I'm not familiar with, Emma Lorat. Sorry, guys. Smoothing Body Exfoliant. Then from Grace and Stella, they have a lavender body cream. From Pearlise Beauty, they have the coconut oil body butter. From by Cake Beauty, they have a triple citrus blend butter balm hand cream. From Hemp's, they have a crystal and quartz body lotion. Hemp's body lotions are fantastic and their scents are delish. Then from Rosemary, they have a balanced scalp pack with charcoal. Then from Verb, they have the curl cream. Then from Little Moon Essentials, they have the Peppermint Jack lip balm. Peppermint Stick lip balm. Then from Raw Sugar Living, they have the natural lip balm in raw coconut mango. Wow. Then they have from Beauty for Real the lip cream and color in Hotter Than Miami. Then they have from Precision Color pencil in Verose as well as in Nutra. And then from IPSY by Petra, they have, it looks like Honey Sheen as well as Sheer Rose. And then from Slim Glam, they have some, I love when they do this. They have brushes. So they have the eye blender brush, that's the E25. Then from Luxie, the 640 tapered brush in Periwinkle Blue. And then from Luxie, they have a tapered blending brush. All of these are good. I think the Luxie one, that one, it is a very, very loose brush. So it goes... you would really use it. I've only found it good to either dust powder off my face, or if I have a loose highlighter, it only takes on a little bit of product. Then they have some full sizes. For $12, they have the Tarte Volumizing Mascara. They have from Tula the Glow Daily Sunscreen in SPF 30. From IT Cosmetics, they have the Confidence in a Cleanser. I recommend this product. It is a good one. Then from Aura, they have a facial microneedle roller system for $12. That's crazy. Then from Pearlise Beauty, they have the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. From Hey Honey, they have Take Away the Drama, the Youth Boosting Honey Copper Peel-Off Mask. I do own this. This is a $49 mask that they're giving it to us for $12. Then from Duft & Doft, they have a Salmon Hydra Active Eye Cream. Then they have an eyeshadow single from Il Maquillage in Color Boss in Alter Ego. They also have from the Balm Cosmetics the Auto Balm. It says in Pick Perf. And then from Kaja, they have the Roller Glow in Cosmetic Laundry, as well as the $1 Billion Brows Bestseller Kit, which is a really good one. I own that as well. The Yensa they have also, which is a Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine. I showed that one to you guys. I have a backup of it. It's a good product as well. Then we have from Playa the Dew Day Mist. That's, I think, a hair product. And then from Sela, they have the Seed to Skin Scrub Natural Grain Polish. I haven't tried this, but I have reordered their hand cream, which is really good. And then they have a Makeup Geek face buffing brush. That's fantastic. Now for $18, they have the Golden Faden Bright Eye Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. Fantastic product. Then they have the Dominique Cosmetic, the Rustic Glam Palette. This was actually in the shopper for $22, and by the time I got to it, it wasn't available anymore, and here it is for $18. Then they have the Il Maquillage. They have they have duals for $18 each. One is in Newsflash and Shopaholic. The other one is in Jackpot and Eyes the Prize. And then the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in Golden Sands. I do have both of these Huda Beauties in their really beautiful palettes. Then they have some full sizes. They're saying for $25. They have the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Jackie IN palette, and it comes with a liquid lip duo for $25. And then they have a Morphe brush set, a 6-piece for the $25. That is fantastic. Okay, guys, that's everything that I'm going to show you guys today, because I'm going to sit down, because this came so early. I didn't look at any of my stuff or mark down what any of my products were, but I wanted to get this up for you guys really early so that you can choose your add-ons and be able to access them right away. All right. Once again, everybody, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me here. I hope you all get what you want and that you're able to choose. As well as everybody, please just continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.